She hates cold water. This is her first ever cold tub. I'm interested to see how this goes. 5 minutos. Yeah. Vamos a comer. Yo, what is up guys? I'm doing an apartment tour here in Rio. I want to show you guys the apartment I'm renting here. As you can see, incredible. It's a loft style, 2 floors. I love this style, but my favorite part of the apartment is this right here. Favorite part of the apartment is that it backs up to the jungle. One thing to note, right there at the top of that mountain is the Christ statue. Famous Christ statue here in Brazil. All right, let's keep going. Keep showing you the apartment. This room's awesome for entertaining people, having friends over. We did some meditation nights here, which were really incredible. The guy who owns the apartment has some cool art too, as you can see. Let's go upstairs, come on. This is the office and the bedroom, as you can see right here. There, that's the office. We got all the work that happens there. And really cool part here is the office also has a view of the jungle right out there, and also a view of the city. And one of the coolest parts of this apartment is this. So he's got trap doors. So when my cook is here, I can close the doors. The apartment can be completely quiet. And this just becomes one big room up here as well, which is awesome. Another great thing is the bed here has blinds, so it can get completely dark. And let me show you my favorite part of the house right here. Woo! So we got the balcony and the jungle here. This part I love about this house. Right here, this is like wild jungle. There's monkeys that live here in the trees. I see toucans a lot here as well, so it's a really cool part of the house. Get some good sun here in the morning as well on the bed. That is the apartment tour here in Rio. Right now we're about to take an ice bath. Look at that right there. And let me take this. Sua primeira ice bath?
Yes.
Como você sentiu sobre isso?
Animada.
Animada.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. All right, so we're done with the house tour, but we're getting the cold bath already. She hates cold water. This is her first ever cold tub. I'm interested to see how this goes. Sua primeira banheira fria. Como você sentiu?
Eu estou tirando a minha roupa.
I like. Como você sentiu sobre isso?
Normal.
In 2 minutos, no. Ooh, that's a lot of ice. All right, let's go, baby. 5 minutos. Yeah. Vamos a comer. Calma.
Okay. Good.
Menos de 2 minutos. Depois de pouco mais tempo, se o corpo está, é mais fácil.
Hot.
Isso é muito quente, né? Como você sentir agora?
Cold. Yeah, cold.
You feel cold?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Because
pouco mais abaixo, por favor.
I'm so controlled my mind.
Yeah. Uau. Muito forte, né? Pouco mais abaixo, por favor.
Quanto tempo?
Muito mais. Respira.
Okay.
Fechar os seus olhos.
Okay. Okay.
Mais tempo.
No.
Go, baby. Me too. All right, it's my turn now. We put another bag of ice in. And look at this. Ooh.
Baby, let's go. Let's go.
Eu não quero.
Yes, you want.
Uau. Então. Boa noite.
Estou tremendo.
Eu vi.
Como você se sente?
Quente.
Quente?
Oh. Agora minha mente fala. Sair. Sair agora. Você não precisa mais. Sair. Mas agora eu gosto.
Como você se sente?
Free! I'm cold. Eu estou frio. Frio.
Você é forte.